Hey guys, it's Christian with Ace Gutter here today. Today we want to go over a question we get all the time. How can I properly clean my own gutters? To start out, what you'll need is a ladder. To my side here we have a leaf blower, a bucket, and a gutter scoop. And then finally you'll need an extended hose. We'll get a better close-up shot so you can see how it's actually done. Alright guys, so for demonstration purposes, I'll just be doing this on a table, and of course you'll be actually on your roof. Make sure to be safe on your roof. You want to be in a good position where there's no danger of you falling off. But first things first, what we want to get into is just the scooping. So this is a gutter scooper. You can get one of these and any of the items that we have talked about all at Home Depot. It's fairly cheap. So just get one of these gutter scoops, and all you're gonna do, start from here and scoop. Now place your hand on the top so it doesn't get all over the place. Of course there's gonna be a little bit of drag on the side, so it'll fall out a little bit, but you want to get the main clumps, and then I'm just putting it in the bucket. We're gonna continue to scoop, put it in the bucket. Scoop. Sometimes it's easier to just do it with your hands. Scoop and put it in the bucket. Now you're going to want to do this until all of the gutter looks about like this. Make sure there's not too much dirt in the gutter, or else all the dirt is going to be sprayed out and all over the lawn. Also, a little pro tip: when you're actually scooping up all the leaves and all the dirt from the gutter and putting it into the bucket, if you want to make it a little bit easier on yourself while cleaning these gutters out and putting the dirt and leaves and the grime inside of the bucket, just put the garbage can underneath you so that you can take the bucket and just pour out into the garbage can below the home. All right guys, so here comes the fun part. Now we get to start to leaf blow this whole gutter out. Let's try it. And then the final thing that you'll want to do is take that extended hose and just flush out everything. If you can get your extended hose on top of the roof with you, and then just flush out all your gutter system, that'll help you out a lot. As we can see here, there is still a little bit of dirt in the gutter, so that water is really going to flush out that system. And then to virtually never have this issue again, we at Ace Gutter can provide a leaf guard protection for you, so that way no leaves, pine needles, or heavy grime can actually come into the gutter. And with this protection, you'll still be able to have water come flowing in through here, so that way it has a route that it can go, so that water's not spilling onto your driveway and sidewalks. And that's really it guys, that's how you do it by yourself. At Ace Gutter, we do provide a more premium service to have your gutters flushed out. We're actually able to detach your gutter system and do a complete flush out of the entire system that you have attached to your home. If you'd like us to just do the dirty work for you, we'll leave our phone number down below so you can just give us a call. And as always guys, like, comment, and subscribe so we can get all this info out to you. Thanks.